Today, we're going to talk about how to demonstrate your expertise to potential clients and customers so that you become their first choice once they have realized the need for your services or products. By demonstrating your expertise and knowledge, you can become the company that your potential clients compare other companies to. It means that you don't have to compete on price so much, especially if you are judged to be more competent or knowledgeable than your competition. The aim is to be the first choice expert in your field. Now, let's talk about the power of storytelling. Your personal story is a fantastic tool for demonstrating your competence. People connect with stories, and by sharing your journey, you create a relatable and memorable experience. Craft your narrative in a way that highlights your expertise and the value you bring to your clients. Don't be afraid to drop in details that showcase your skills and experience. Share your successes and failures as they make you more relatable and trustworthy. Your story should be authentic and compelling, resonating with your audience. Transparency is key to building trust with your audience. According to a study by Label Insight, 94% of consumers are likely to be loyal to a brand that offers transparency. So, share your processes, successes, and even failures with your audience. Being open and honest creates a strong connection and showcases your expertise in an authentic way. When your customers see that you're transparent and willing to share the good and the bad, they'll trust you more and see you as an expert in your field. One of the most tangible ways to prove your expertise is by showcasing testimonials and case studies. Collect testimonials from satisfied clients and create compelling case studies that highlight the results you've achieved. Sharing real-world examples is an amazing way to demonstrate your expertise. When potential customers see the positive impact you've had on others, they'll be more likely to trust you and choose your product or service. Testimonials and case studies are powerful tools that show your competence in action. Certifications and industry recognition are great ways to validate your expertise and set yourself apart from the competition. Highlight your certifications, awards, and affiliations to show that you're committed to staying up to date and continuously improving your skills. However, keep in mind that most people don't know what these certifications mean. So be sure to explain how these certifications benefit your clients. It also means that you shouldn't spend serious amounts of time or money getting certifications just for marketing purposes. It is rarely worth it. Your time would be better spent elsewhere. It's a trap that many self-employed people fall into, collecting certificates in the hope that it will attract more clients. If you spent the same amount of time talking to people and helping them, you'd attract far more clients. Engaging in research and thought leadership is another powerful way to showcase your expertise. Conduct studies, publish white papers, or share original research that provides valuable insights to your audience. According to a study by Edelman, 58% of decision makers believe that thought leadership content positively influences their perception of a company. By positioning yourself as an expert and sharing valuable content, you'll not only establish yourself as a trusted authority, but also generate valuable insights for your audience. Speaking engagements, podcasts, and webinars provide fantastic platforms to share your expertise with a wider audience. By speaking at events, hosting podcasts, or conducting webinars, you can share your knowledge and insights, establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Additionally, you can repurpose this content to create articles, videos, and other forms of content, expanding your reach even further. Sharing your expertise in various formats will help you build your reputation and become the expert of choice in your industry. Nothing says expert like being seen with other experts. Collaborating with other experts in your field is a great way to showcase your expertise and expand your reach. You can team up with other experts to create content, host events, or even offer joint services. This collaboration allows you to share your expertise with a wider audience and build your reputation as an expert. When potential customers see you collaborating with other trusted experts, they'll be more likely to choose you as their solution provider. I hope you found these tips helpful in demonstrating your competence and expertise. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, please forward it to them. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights and tips on running a business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.